The build out on my Tundra has been a slow process so far, largely due to the fact that it's an all-new vehicle and there's not a lot available in terms of modifications just yet. But I've been making baby steps in the right direction, and this past weekend I made another step in the right direction with the addition of my new UpTop Overland bed rack. This is the AFS Retrax bed rack, which is all aluminum construction, meaning that it's both very strong and lightweight, and best of all, it's fully compatible with a Retrax tonneau cover. Getting a bed rack that was compatible with a tonneau cover was a must-have feature for me because I want to be able to mount my rooftop tent on the rack, but I also want the ability to keep items in the bed locked and weather tight. But the best thing about this system is that unlike the setup I had on my Tacoma where I had to remove my rooftop tent and bed bars to access the tonneau cover and open and close it, with this system you can actually open and close the tonneau cover without removing the rack or the tent. So there's a lot more usability and a lot more functionality. As you can see, I don't have the Retrax cover installed just yet. That's because they haven't gone into production for the 2022 Tundra just yet. Once they do, then I'll purchase one, and this rack will be compatible with or without the cover. One thing that is worth noting is that you are going to need slightly different attachments depending on whether you're installing it with the cover or without that. This rack is available in 3 different heights. They've got a low height at 6 inches. This is the mid-height rack, which sits at 11.5 inches. And then they've got a full height rack that sits at 19 inches. I decided to go with the mid-height rack because I wanted the ability to open up the tonneau cover and fit some larger, bulkier items in the bed of the truck, but I also wanted my rooftop tent to sit low enough that I didn't get a lot of excessive wind noise and drag. The racks come with these pre-drilled armor plates that are designed to attach a variety of recovery gear, and there's a number of compatible accessories available on UpTop Overland's website. They also include one set of these recovery board mounts with every rack. I decided to throw in a second set so I could split my 4 recovery boards with 2 on either side of the truck. Another thing that's really cool about UpTop Overland is that they are an American company. All their products are designed and built here in the United States out of the beautiful state of Colorado. And in a time when it seems like it's near impossible to not buy things made in China, it's really nice when you've got an option for a product that's built here in the United States. Another thing that's cool is they actually have these racks in stock right now and ready to ship, which again is unheard of right now with production delays and material shortages. It took less than 2 weeks from when I placed the order for this rack to when it showed up on my doorstep. Pretty unheard of. If you're interested in checking out this bed rack, there's a link to it in the description below. UpTop Overland also sells a roof rack that's compatible with the 2022 Tundra, and they have a number of other rack options available for a wide range of makes and models. In my next video upload, I'm going to include the full installation process for this rack if you want to check that out. And once that video is published, there will be a link to it in the upper right-hand corner. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And for more videos of the all-new Tundra, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.